Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 at Nadiad in Gujarat. He became a barrister by profession after completing his degree in law from England. Vallabhbhai Patel was deeply influenced by Gandhiji and joined the Congress in 1917. He left his job to fight for exemption of taxes for the farmers in Kheda at the time of plague and famine in 1918. In 1920, he joined Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement. It was the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928 which earned Vallabhbhai the title of Sardar and made him popular throughout the country. In 1930, the British arrested Sardar Patel during the Salt Satyagraha. He was again arrested during the Quit India movement in 1942 and imprisoned till 1945. He became India's first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister after the country's independence in 1947. Sardar Patel played a very important role of integrating about 562 princely states to the Indian Union post-independence. He is known as the Iron Man of India and the Unifier of India because of his total commitment towards national integration. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15 December 1950. He was awarded India's highest civilian honour, the Bharat Ratna, posthumously in 1991. He worked very hard against alcohol consumption, caste discrimination, untouchability, and women emancipation not only in Gujarat but also outside. In 2014, the Government of India decided to celebrate the birthday of Sardar Patel as the National Unity Day to honour his contribution to integrate India. Since then, 31st October is celebrated every year as the National Unity Day. The world's tallest statue, which is 597 feet high, known as the Statue of Unity, dedicated to Sardar Patel, was unveiled on 31st October 2018. Various programs are organized by the Government of India to mark the occasions such as Run for Unity, pledge-taking ceremony, march past by the Indian Police. The main objective of organizing variety of programs on this day is to promote national integration among citizens of India as well as maintain the unity and integrity of the country. Sardar Patel was a selfless leader who placed the country's interest above everything and shaped India's destiny with single-minded devotion. His invaluable contribution in building a modern and unified India should always be remembered by us. He said, "Work is worship, but laughter is life. Anyone who takes life too seriously must prepare himself for a miserable existence. Anyone who greets joys and sorrows with equal facility can really get the best of life." We worked hard to achieve our freedom. We shall have to strive harder to justify it.